Ka Jingmih ki Karkhana tet ki bapinmi e ka jingdi kok ha East Jaintia Hills District ka long ka be ima shika dai e namar kandan ka jingkhata e ka koi ka khya jong ki breu ki basa ha ki tu ki than Halor ka neu MLA ka Congress namo sanram ba hima shangpliang uladawa na ka Sorkar jila bakadeban khangkredap no e kini ki Karkhana barban TOHKIT kat kum ka an ya ki trai jong kini ki Karkhana Ulong bakalong ka basngo khiaru ban yo sngo ye ka jing ujor na ki paj ba jong ka than bakitram jaklia ki mi na kini ki Karkhana kabala ban khata e ki breu khamtam e ki khalung khana
As a responsible citizen of the state, I feel that all these coke factories that are illegal has to be shut down immediately. The government has to take action immediately on this, and any sort of illegalities that have been prevailed in that area should be stopped forthwith. I am pained to hear the complaints of the residents of that area when they called me and they said that from 9 p.m. at night till 5 a.m. in the morning, all these coke factories are functioning, and these people, the residents of that area, are inhaling this toxic smoke that is emanating out of these coke factories.
Uang baka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board, baka Central Pollution Board, kini ban pinshitom i kitrai jung kini ki Karkhana, na markim shimpat yo ya kanoga jingmanjur ban chna na ne ban pintre kam ya kini ki Karkhana. Kabapin kindit chushu long ba hima ka long ba kini ki Karkhana ki thangru i ki jaklia ki bami na ki hospital kum ki tiar inject bar kiwei bar kani ka boru i ka JINGKYLLI ban ei kini ki Karkhana ki yo yu do yong ban pinan kam.
I am even more shocked to learn that all the hospital wastes, like the syringes and all the vials and other wastes of the hospitals, find their way in all these coke factories. And on inquiry, I was told that these are all the fuel that is required to burn the coal in the furnace. Is the health authorities aware about this? Is the Deputy Commissioner of the district aware about this? And if they are aware, why are they silent? Why can't they implement the laws that have been given to them? Why haven't we seen one single coke factory being closed down? Ever since there has been a hue and cry on this. Why do we have to see people coming in the street to tell the government to close down these factories?